behind every mission-ready aircraft are airmen whose skills, discipline, and dedication keep the mission moving.
As an aircraft quality control inspector, precision is more than a responsibility. It is a standard. Through careful inspection, technical expertise, and unwavering attention to detail, I help to ensure that every maintenance action meets the required standards. Every detail matters, every inspection protects a mission, and every mission can save a life. We keep it safe, we keep it live.